Hey guys, back with another shoe unboxing video for you. Today we got the Vans Era ComfyCush in black and white. So let's get into it. So this is a shoe that I've been wanting to get my hands on for a while now, but I've been through the malls. I've just never had the, I just never had the opportunity to get them. ComfyCush. Go. Looks pretty much exactly the same as a classic Vans Era, except it's very thick sole right here. Go. And what makes it different as a ComfyCush is that it has this whole foam midsole right here instead of the typical Vans rubber sole. And what makes it also different from the Vans light versions that came out a few years back is that it has this rubber bottom, which gives it a little more grip than the lights, which were very slippery for me. But yeah, it's just a basic, black and white sneaker. Can't go wrong with it. And I've been going to get classic Vans for years, but I just wanted something a little more comfortable. ComfyCush, thought I'd try it out. Something a little different, But just seeing it in person, man, it's a lot thicker than the regular Eras. I got my white ones to compare. This is the regular white leather ones. But yeah, it's just a lot thicker. This one's a lot lighter. It's like a feather, man. It's crazy. But yeah, it's just so much thicker. You can see the foam on the bottom of these ones. These are my favorite shoes, but I'm looking for something a little more comfy. Hopefully these will do the job. And then with the tongue, it just feels a little bit more connected to the shoe. It's very good looking. Personally, I've always liked the Vans Eras more than the Authentics, Just like that extra padding. I don't know, it looks the same, but yeah, that padding makes it a better look. Alright, I'm just gonna show you guys how these look on feet. Alright, here are the Vans Era ComfyCush. I just got on some slim fit H&M black denim. What I like about these shoes, they can just go with pretty much anything. Very comfortable. But yeah, just put them on with any pair of jeans. Chinos, can't go wrong with that. These are the Levi's 512 slim tapers. Alright, guys, that does it for these Vans Era ComfyCush. It's very comfortable, man. Definitely recommend these. Don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you guys next time. Peace.